That's how the song goes. Instead they be falling from my eyes on my heart. Since you have been gone, I'm still confused, still lost, like an infant abandoned in the streets. My little brother, my youth, lying lifeless right in front of me. Last night we joked and talked, it's how we're men to fight. Back in the good old days, giving mom and dad a very hard time. Reminiscing, but focusing on the future for our families. With a lot of determination, we can change our destiny. Henry, I miss you. Say who's fat mole for in my South Sea tattoo talano. I way what fear I. Fear fusi yatu yate oe she who's a fat belly. Money a little bit fatty total my ngalu total masina. Who's I won't forget you. Best believe your memories live with me. I'll tell stories like you did. Take care of your kids. Families are forever. Who's your family knows you care. You're in a better place now. Be sure to have fun up there. Man, I miss you. You were always there for me. When you talk, I listen. I was the biggest fan, just ask my kids. Never doubt you. I never gave up on you. I love you and I miss you. Come around if you need someone to talk to.